G'day guys, welcome back to another quick video. So in this one we're going to be looking at what I think is the best way to season anything made of canvas, but in our case we're going to be doing a swag today. I've used this for nearly everything that we have that's made of canvas and it has not let me down once, so let's get straight into it, eh? When it comes to canvas guys, you really want to do the work before you start using it, season it in properly and allow that canvas to really expand and contract a good couple of times before you go out and start using it, just to make sure that there's never going to be any leaks or any damage to your canvas. So let's get straight into it. If you want to have a more in-depth look at this swag, I'll leave a link up here somewhere in the top right hand corner, left, right, one of them. You can go and have a look at it. I'll also leave a link to this swag from Snowy, we picked it up from. Go over there, check it out. If you've got any questions, let me know. So here you go guys. Easy as you can get. Grab your garden hose, plug it in and just start spraying it down. Make sure you give it a really good soak so that all those fibers really soak in a lot of that water. And when it comes to swag bags, I tend to do exactly the same thing. Soak them, give them a really good wash down, make sure all those canvas fibers really soak up the water. But I hang them up, I'll just hang them over the clothesline, really easy, just to let all that water drain and dry properly. Sometimes you find with these canvas swag bags, if you season them in, then you leave them on the ground, fold it up a little bit, they might trap a little bit of water in there and that can lead to mold, and you really don't want that with your canvas, especially for what's supposed to be protecting your swag. So let's get straight into it. So same thing guys, just hang it up and then away you go. Give it a good soak. Don't have to hold your clothesline like me. Now guys, a lot of swags out there say that their swags come pre-seasoned. This is one of those examples. Darche says that this doesn't need to be seasoned, but they do recommend that you do it anyway. Guys, I don't care what any swag or any canvas manufacturer says, season it in. It's not gonna hurt it. If anything, it's just gonna make it a bit better. So this is just the easy guys that I've found and how to do it. Set it up, wet it down with a hose, no mess, no worries, and just make sure you're getting the best out of your canvas that you possibly can and making it last longer. That's what it's all about guys. You don't want to be going and spending all your hard-earned money on a really good canvas swag for it to fail on you because you didn't season it in. There's nothing worse than waking up in the middle of the night and being rained on or leaked on through canvas. So just make sure that you do this guys. No matter how good the canvas is, no matter how good the swag is, seasoning's not going to hurt it. Give it a good wet down, make sure all those fibers expand, contract, and just make that swag fully leak proof. Anyway guys, this is the easiest way that I've found of doing it. I reckon everyone out there is probably thinking the same thing, but if you use some other way of seasoning your swags guys, let me know in the comments below. This is just the way I do it. It's just easy, leaves no mess, and gets to dry out in the sun the way it should. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed that little how-to on how to season in your swag. If any of you guys got any questions, comments, let me know in the comments because I'm really keen to hear how other people do all this kind of stuff. Anyway guys, till next time, get out and about. We'll see you in the next one.